The two biggest reasons are the prototyping and the mass production. With the prototyping, you can save a lot of money, and your going to the market price is much lower than when you produce a prototype here.
It's very beneficial for the development of our products, mainly because of cost savings, I suppose. Because you have enormous differences in the price of labour in Belgium versus the price of labour in China.
I have examples where we had like 200,000 to 250,000 euro to make one prototype here in Europe, and in China it was like 20,000 euro.
If you have a certain budget for a project, it allows you to actually use that money more effectively, or to actually do more things, even possibly to experiment a little bit.
When you have mass production, you immediately can save a lot of money at your buying side.
For example, this is the Pro Valve. It's a brass part made to connect a low H2O radiator from Jager to the heat source. 1/3 of our heat exchangers that we supply are equipped with this valve. There is quite some manual work on it to produce it, and we were looking for a Chinese supplier to do this, and we selected one which was the most professional to us. It was not the cheapest one, but what we achieved now on cost saving is several hundreds of thousands per year that we save on cost pure because of this system.
If you're able to make your prototyping cheaper, the price you ask from the market is cheaper. The sales volume will be higher. In the mass production is the same, but it's up to the client to decide they're gonna drop down the market price, yes or no. If they don't do it, they have more gross profit. If they do it, maybe they have more sales value.
For projects like the Jager Play, that if we hadn't exactly, the price was far too high in Belgium, so actually we would have stopped the project, and instead we found a manufacturer in China, and the project continued.